display coming up just after 7 minutes for the youngers. And then we can have the main display, 20 minutes of Disney soundtracks. So just want to give a massive shout out to the one and only Shannon Young. Congratulations and all the best from all your family on your Britain's Got Talent auditions. Can we make some noise for Shannon Young representing Wales, everybody?